Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting exploration of the English language. Today, we're diving into a word that's frequently used in organizational contexts, whether it's at school, work, or even within your community. Our word of the day is committee. So, what exactly does committee mean? Well, a committee is a group of people officially delegated to perform a specific function, typically involving investigation, discussion, or decision-making. It's essentially a team formed for a particular purpose. You might hear about a school committee organizing a fundraising event, or a company committee reviewing employee performance. It's all about collaboration and shared responsibility. Now, let's look at some synonyms, words that have a similar meaning. A good synonym for committee is panel. For example, a panel of experts will review the proposals. Another synonym is board. Think of a board of directors. It's a type of committee. The board decided to invest in new technology. We can also use the word council. The student council voted on the new school regulations. Another one is delegation. A delegation was sent to negotiate the terms of the agreement. Finally, consider team. The project team meets every Monday at 2 p.m. Now, let's switch gears and explore some antonyms, words with the opposite meaning. While a committee is all about group effort, an antonym would represent individual action or authority. A good antonym is individual. For instance, the decision was made by an individual, not a committee. Another antonym is sole authority. The CEO has sole authority over budget approvals, unlike a committee decision. We can also consider one-man show. It was a one-man show with no input from a committee. Furthermore, think of autocracy, meaning rule by one person. The company structure was an autocracy rather than relying on committee consensus. Finally, consider dictatorship, another form of rule by one. The project failed because of a dictatorship-style leadership, where the committee was ignored. Now, let's discuss how the word committee is used in everyday life. You might say, I'm on the fundraising committee for the local animal shelter. Or, the neighborhood association has a safety committee. You might hear someone say, the committee is still deliberating on the best course of action. Also, think about common expressions. It was decided by committee, often implying a slow or bureaucratic process. And finally, we formed a committee to investigate the matter. Let's look at some more example sentences and phrases to solidify your understanding. The planning committee worked tirelessly to organize the event. The disciplinary committee will review the student's case. She serves on several committees at the university. He was appointed chair of the finance committee. The committee's report outlined several key recommendations. A special committee was formed to address the issue. The committee members debated the proposal for hours. The Human Resources Committee handles employee grievances. The committee is responsible for making recommendations to the board. The Ethics Committee ensures that all decisions are made fairly. To recap, a committee is a group of people appointed for a specific purpose, often involving decision-making, investigation, or discussion. We explored synonyms like panel, board, council, delegation, and team, and antonyms like individual, sole authority, one-man show, autocracy, and dictatorship. We also examined its usage in everyday life and through various sentence examples. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word committee helpful. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show and learn new words. Now, here's your challenge. Create your own sentence using the word committee and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.